Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, it's going to be a quick one, as it's going to be the song If It's Not You by Pryvt. First up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So yeah, pretty much I'm going to be only using these four chords right here. Just going to be the F sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be 2, dead string, 3, 3, 2, then another dead string. Next up is going to be the B major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 3, 4, then dead string. Next up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, dead string. Then lastly, it's going to be the C sharp 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Now for this one, we're going to be using our index finger to part the A string down to the high E string on the 4th fret. As for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string on the lower E string. And you can also use this middle finger to support your index finger as well. It's going to be like that. Once again, it's going to be dead string, 4, 6, 4, 6, then 4. And those are your four chords for this song pretty much. So it's going to be the F sharp major 7 chord, B major 7, G sharp minor 7, and the C sharp 7 chord. Yep. And with the strumming pattern for this song, given that the song is in a 6/8 time signature or 3/4 time signature, depending on how slow or fast you perceive the song. But for me personally, I like to view it as a 6/8 time signature of a song. So yeah, the strumming pattern is going to be this right here. So it's just going to be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strum, and using this part of your thumb for the down strum. Like that. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yep. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then when you strum, you kind of like do like a finger heart kind of thing to strum. So it's going to be. But when it comes to using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Yep, so it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now when it comes to holding a pick, make sure that it's perpendicular with your thumb and pinching it with your index finger like so, making sure that the tip is sticking out just like that, and making sure that your forearm, wrist, and your hand is not too loose nor too tight, so that you'll be able to strum comfortably when it comes to playing this song. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yep, and with that said, that entire strumming pattern will be worked for 1 count. Now the 1 in the count is just my indicator of how many times you're going to be playing the strumming pattern. Again, the song is in 6/8 time signature, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So that's 1. Then doing it twice would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, so for this song earlier, if you're going to be seeing this strumming pattern for a specific chord played for 2 counts, you're going to be doing the strumming pattern twice. If you're going to be seeing it with 3 counts, you're going to be doing it 3 times, 4 times, and so on and so forth. You get the gist pretty much. And yeah, that's the strumming pattern. And so with the chords and the strumming pattern that we're going to be using for this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Yep, that's 1 count of the strumming pattern, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern 4 times for this chord. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing with the B major 7 chord as well. It's going to be like this. G sharp minor 7. And the C sharp 7 chord. Yep, and you're pretty much just only going to be repeating that entire chord progression for a total of 8 repetitions, and that's your song basically from the intro up until the very last section of the song. And yeah, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Tell me you'll stay by me, 'cause darling, you're all I need. And if it's not you, no, I'm not a fool. Just wish you could understand. You know that it's you, my love. Now I wanna know how you feel. And if it's not us, don't want it at all. And wish you would hold my hand. And yeah, that's pretty much the song, basically, and how to play it from start to finish. Glad that you guys will be able to reach the end of this video. Really appreciate it. Please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below as well, so that you guys will be able to stay up to date with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other private guitar tutorial, just click this one right here. Or any other video for that matter, just it's up to you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.